Hello friends, today we are going to learn and write how to make sentences. So let's start. First, sky. The sky color is blue. The sky color is blue. Second, bird fly in the sky. The bird fly in the sky. 3. Rose is a beautiful flower. Rose is a beautiful flower. Fourth, mango is my favorite fruit. Fifth, tiger is a wild animal. Tiger is a wild animal. Sixth, family. There are 5 members in my family. Seventh, bus. I go to school by bus. Eighth, notebook. This is my notebook. Ninth, market. I go to market with my mother. I go to market with my mother. Number 10, cricket. Cricket is an outdoor game. Cricket is an outdoor game. Dear friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.